In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a stunning photo book in Canva quickly, easily, and with professional results. Whether you're creating it for a family album, a travel collection, or a personal gift, Canva makes the process simple and enjoyable. So let's dive right in. Start by opening Canva on your web browser and logging into your account. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top and type in photo book. You'll immediately see a wide range of templates, each designed for different styles, from elegant minimalistic themes to colorful modern layouts. Take a moment to explore these templates. Hover over each one to check how many pages it includes and see which fits your project best. Choosing the right base design from the start will make customization much smoother. Once you've found the perfect match, click on it and select Customize this template. Now you're inside Canva's design workspace, and this is where your creativity shines. On the left side, you'll see the main menu. Click on the Uploads tab to start bringing in your own photos. You can upload images directly from your computer, phone, or even import from Google Drive or Dropbox. Once your photos are uploaded, it's time to personalize your photo book. Simply drag and drop your pictures into the existing frames on each page. Canva will automatically adjust them so they fit neatly within the layout. You can also reposition, crop, or zoom to get the perfect look for every photo. As you design, feel free to experiment with layouts, swap pages, duplicate your favorites, or mix in new pages for variety. Don't forget to edit the text, add short captions, quotes, or dates to bring your story to life. You can also tweak the colors, change fonts, or add fun graphics and icons from Canva's built-in library to give your photo book a unique style. Once everything looks perfect, it's time to save or share your masterpiece. Click the download button at the top right corner and choose your preferred format. PDF is best for printing, while digital formats work great for sharing online. And there you have it, your very own customized photo book created in Canva in just a few minutes. It's a creative, heartfelt way to capture your memories and share them beautifully with others. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and design tutorials.